This is a workbook for writing down what your family knows, while you can still ask. 10 sections. The order they come in is the method. Everything that depends on a living person comes first, and the research comes last. That is the whole argument. A certificate can be researched later, it is not going anywhere. A conversation with someone still living is a different kind of thing. So it opens with quick start. Everyone the workbook is about, on one page, before you look anything up. The gaps that appear here are your first research questions. Then 4 generations, in pencil. The numbers are standard genealogy numbering, and they only apply to direct ancestors, never to siblings or cousins. The people index is the spine. Everyone the workbook mentions, whether or not they are on the tree, and what already exists for each of them. And then the page the method turns on. Who to ask first, and the answer is not the oldest person in the family. 4 things move somebody up. They are the only person who can answer something. They hold the objects, they are hard to reach, or they are the door to a branch you have no contact with. 18 questions, sequenced as a conversation rather than a form. Names, the house, who was in it, what the adults did. Near the end, a photograph goes on the table. Then the page that decides whether any of it was worth doing. 5 blocks, facts, stories, objects, documents, people, and each block prints where its contents get filed. Notes filed and dated. The recording saved somewhere other than the phone it was made on. Every name added to the index. 1 thank you sent. Stories get their own index, what was told, who told it, and which sheet it is written on. Records get a distinction that is easy to lose. The original, a certified copy, and a scan are 3 different objects, and they can sit in 3 different places. So there is a column for each. In the blue folder in the study, beats, filed, and no passwords, no PIN codes, anywhere in this workbook. A binder is not a safe. With photographs, the useful question is not who is in it, it is how sure you are, known, worked out, or guessed, and a line for why you think so. There are 12 format and material clues here, with approximate date ranges. They will usually give you a decade rather than a year, and the page says so. Family health history is recorded in the words it was said in. If she said, her heart, write, her heart. This is not medical advice and it is not a medical record. The research system exists so the work can be repeated. 1 question per row, what you searched, and what you found, including when the answer was nothing. Behind the bound pages there are 15 reusable record sheets. Person profiles, interviews, stories, recipes, documents, photographs, heirlooms, research logs. On a timeline, the empty years are the point. 10 blank years is not a failure. It is a research question with a shape. And it ends on the page written for somebody who is not you. Where things are, what the abbreviations mean, what is finished and what is half done. 67 pages. A 4 and US letter, printable and fillable. Link below.